on my YouTube channel of step classes done in a freestyle format, which I haven't gotten to do for a really long time, so I'm really looking forward to it. So anyway, I wanted to give you a brief tutorial of what to expect in a step class, because I know some of you may have never done this before, or maybe it's been a long time, and also to give you options. So here's something important to know. You do not need a step platform like this to do a step class. So any movement I'm doing up and down off of the bench can be done no bench. Forward and back, right? Just moving your feet, right? You don't need to do the patterns up and down on the bench. If you have any knee issues, up and down on a bench might be too aggravating. You notice I choose one riser under each side. When I was having some knee problems, I often used no risers at all, and often even demonstrated with no bench. You could have as much as 2 risers, unless you're very, very tall. So a basic thing is to know, when you're stepping up on a bench, you should not have more than a 90-degree angle in your knee. So as an example, I could physically have a second riser under my bench, because that would bring my knee a little bit more bent. But a 3rd or 4th riser would make my knee bend too much as I stepped up, and that would aggravate the joint. So you always want less than a 90-degree angle or no more than a 90-degree angle. Cool? Next, let's do some basic moves. Basic step is up, up, down, down. Natural walking rhythm. On the floor, as I showed you up there, you walk front, front, back, back. Basic up, up, down, down can turn into a V step. That's all it is, opening wide, coming narrow. In the choreography of routine number 1, we'll have 6 marches on top, and then off 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off 7, 8. And then I'm going to make it keep progressing. You could keep with the 6 marches and not change it. I'll be changing it. Next level would be up for 4, in on 5, 6, and down 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, in 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to progress it further. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Those could be 4 marches. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to progress it further. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That could be 4 marches, right? Yeah. So I'll just keep adding on, adding more and more intensity, and you can still be right here. All right? We'll be tapping up the bench. The foot that taps comes down and then down to change sides. And then I'll progress that to tapping instead of the foot to the bench, but rather on the floor. We'll be doing a lot of L steps in class 1. Knee off to the side, knee off the back, and then I step wide to change sides. Off the side, and back. We'll also be doing some single knees and other leg movements. Corner to corner means we lift it to the corner and come down, down.